reporting live from Oxnard, California with Pool News Network. Do you want to stay covered under warranty? Follow these simple steps. First, keep the unit closed at all times. This prevents rodents from getting inside and causing damage. Second, never store chemicals near the heater. Corrosive fumes can damage internal components. Third, use hurricane tie-downs when necessary. This prevents the unit from getting damaged in severe weather. And finally, don't drop kick the unit off the tailgate prior to installation. Handle it carefully to avoid physical damage. And that concludes how to stay covered under warranty. Eric here with Pool News Network signing out. Thank you for watching.